Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Finally, hand towels that live up to the hype. Big Red House has created these 100% cotton, hard-working hand towels. These towels seem like they had 1,000,001 uses. Well, maybe just 1,000,000. The quality of this material was so nice to work with. Whenever I had to iron it, it ironed out seamlessly, and then I could use these hand towels actually as linens to decorate my table with for my place settings. And what I really liked was the versatility of this, not only in the kitchen, but I wanted to use them in the bathroom for whenever we have guests. Because when the guests come and wash their hands and dry them, I always hate having sopping wet towels for them to use. And even though material is thin, it's not too thin where you can just see through it. So you can just hang them up to dry and they dry super fast. I was really impressed with the quality, the softness, and the versatility of these towels, and I highly recommend them, and that is just my point of view.